Kids Learning World.
Hi there! Do you know what a dragonfly is? It's spelled D-R-A-G-O-N-F-L-Y. Let me tell you about dragonfly. Dragonflies are fascinating insects that live near water, like ponds, lakes, and rivers, all around the world. They have long, slender bodies and 2 pairs of transparent wings. Dragonflies come in many colors, like blue, green, and red, and they have big, round eyes. They spend most of their lives as nymphs underwater, where they eat small fish and insects. When they're ready, they crawl out of the water and transform into adult dragonflies. Adult dragonflies can fly very fast and catch insects like mosquitoes while they're flying. Dragonflies are important because they eat lots of bugs that bother us, like mosquitoes. They're amazing creatures that are fun to watch in nature. Let's draw it together. Here are some simple steps you can follow. thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. If you ever want to draw or learn something new, feel free to come back. Goodbye for now.